guys, yeah, it's me again. You know, say around 5:30 in the morning right now, I'm going to the bathroom to take a shower because I know I miss the beautiful adventure, you know. I don't even want them go lift me. So right now, I'm forced them out of the bathroom because right now, I'm taking up on a beautiful adventure right now because I'm going river and I don't want to miss it. So right now, I want to enjoy the moment when I'm at the river and just want to watch it and just say, why should I do this and all these things. So right now, I'm gone let you know.
Alright people, so we just get some gas and head out on the road. So we're heading from Kingston to the beautiful parish of St. Mary. We're going to a famous river called Devon Pen. I'm not really sure where the name is originated from, but we're gonna see what this river entails. So we're heading from Kingston, which is approximately 40 kilometers, which is equivalent to 25 miles from Kingston to St. Mary. I think we're gonna pass a couple of other rivers, such as the Wagwater River. So see you guys in the next stop. Alright, so we're here at the Castleton Botanical Garden, and I mean, the atmosphere is just vibrant. The flowers here are astonishing. You guys can come and check it out yourself. It's a beautiful pond with fishes and gold fishes here, and the atmosphere is just warm and it's just satisfying, guys. You can come and check it out. It's a beautiful sight here. Alright people, so we're there with this beautiful lady. She's a security guard for the garden here at Castleton. So we're gonna get up a little personal and ask her some questions, how long she has been here and so forth.
I am here for about 6 months. 6 months. Very pretty view.
Beautiful place.
This is really a gazebo. Security post.
Right.
That's there on the front. That's anybody enter. You can sanitize them, test them temperature, and send them down.
This right now.
Yeah, real. Me I test them temperature right now. Yeah. But sanitize. Just put it on underneath it.
Taking extra precaution because of the COVID. Normally on a saturated day, a lot of people you have to, it's a regular routine.
Testing temperature. No.
No
temperature. Over 38 is a temperature.
Okay.
I'm good. Coronavirus out.
So proceed.
Alright, so we're gonna take a walk.
The cafeteria.
And this is the cafeteria area. What time it opens?
About 9.
9. Because right now it's about 7:30, 8 o'clock.
And we have the Wagwater River.
Wagwater. That's over here.
The river is the Wagwater, so you can just go along. Really, I cannot leave the post because anybody can enter. So you can just go along and just view and make it. So the sign can stand Botanical.
Okay, and what time of the morning you have to be here? Every morning?
I have to be here 6 o'clock every morning. Change shift and come in and do my thing. So just go along and do it.
Alright. Alright people, so I'm going to show you a little sightseeing the Wagwater River and what things look like over here. Alright, going down to this river. This is not our final stop. Where we're actually going, but because we were passing, I couldn't resist to stop and do a little sightseeing for you guys. Alright, so this is the Wagwater River. You notice no dumping can go on. It's a beautiful country here. beautiful parish of St. Mary. Alright, so me I go head out on the road I know. So I'll see you guys at the next stop. Alright, peeps, we just reached on the river you know. We there saggle up and a look a parking spot. We come out of the car and head down to Devon Pen River. Yeah. Place looking good. Yo, which part you go park? See a parking spot right over this, you know. You can go right over this. So. Alright. So find a local parking spot and we're about to get out of the car. You come out of the car now. I'll go saggle up with self and head down to the river. Alright, so we just reached down the river and the kids are all over the water already. So I'm just taking in the nature and the beauty of this peaceful place. And very mind relaxing. Alright people, so I set up the stone then to get the pot up and running. I set up the stone them to start up a fire and thing. We gotta look some woods and thing to get this thing going and clean up the area a little bit. Boss there, broke up the sticks them and the wood, getting the woods ready to dash them in the fire. Great, sir.
Some blue crab. Them already been cleaned from the place that we buy them, but you know we Jamaican, anything we get we have to clean it up back properly to our liking. You know the chef, you know the thing go. So you know we are starting off with some nice wild crab first, and then look more from this. You know we have some steamed fish with okra. What is that okra? Okra. Irish pumpkin, and you know all the things are gonna look of it after this. And then we have little French fried chicken on the side and rice and peas. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned. And then you look like a country man. What's wrong with you?
Alright, so shall I get quick things right here, so to get the food and the boat on the go. So to explain little what shall I use.
So this is the pumpkin that we're going to use in the steamed fish. You want to know how steamed fish can nice, so don't look pumpkin nice and all these things. But you can have sweet pepper cooking in your pot. It don't make sense you put no food because without sweet pepper you don't have that spice and everything, you know? So we have to have sweet pepper and all these things that bubble up, bubble up, bubble up.
Can't look more. Okay, think him there for him pretty looks. Massive wood fire. Okay, set the pot. Okay, set the pot.
That look like it's
Listen, I'll drop off the wood. I'll drop off. Yeah, man, make it out now. Let the pot burn warm up.
put in the start in the pot.
Yeah, man, now worry about the smoke. Worry about the smoke. Don't make mosquito.
Here must blow crab. See, these are smaller male ones, so that's why they're so tiny.
General Latta come in with the fire stick there with dark fire. What is General? Oh! Come here with the fire stick there, boss. Yeah, do. I ain't find all of them there. I'm like, they hide them off somewhere, you know. Well, we put the crabs in right now. Fire is bubbling up. Getting some salt to go in the water to get the crabs in. As the crabs go in the water, them change color immediately.
Well clean. Guys, it's my first time boiling crab. I never do this before, but hope it come out perfect. Show you the boy them how them look. See them? Alright, so we're gonna allow that to cook.
So this is my plate of my blue crabs. No, that's on iron because no, the crab then actually red. So a close-up shot of one of the crab foods. Now I'm going to grab a bite. people. So we're gonna start up with steamed fish cooking here now. On the wood fire, Jamaican style. Our ingredients then. So we have to pull away some of the fire because we don't want to burn up the steamed fish. So she have like sweet potato, some onion, some Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper in it. Yes, there's just in all in it pot, so that's the time. So we have it outside.
So we have it with garlic, with scallion, with thyme, sweet pepper, tomato, onion, you know the shred pepper. Because without pepper, you know, remember the thing can melt. Yeah.
Alright, so she's adding the Maggi.
Guys, normally I would strain my cock soup because sometimes I don't want the noodle itself in it, but I forgot my strainer, so I'm just have to just do it this way.
Jamaican style steamed fish. So she's just gonna make that simmer a little bit, and I guess drop the fish in
Add a little
afterwards.
more water.
Add a little more water to it because it's a lot of fish.
Guys, I'm adding in some punk Irish carrot, and you know the youngkin, I got the pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Yeah. So that's it because I'm just gonna make the fish sit on top.
Wow, so be colorful that looks.
So you know the thing go.
So it's gonna cook for 15 minutes, and then she's gonna add the fish in to the pot. People, steamed fish them are going in at the pot. How you think look? Got that beautiful shot right here. Hey. Got that beautiful fish. Wow. Apologize for the jittery, but I do have a stabilizer. But the stones are really hard to maneuver.
Guys, I know this is Jamaican okra. You can't have steamed fish and not have okra in it.
Okra fina it.
I feel it because the man them back up strong, it can't wait. Yeah. Steamed fish and okra body.
Actually, look, that's it.
Oi! Them not hear you. Call them
Not
again.
hear
Say,
them.
oi! Say, Sanil! Call Chanel and Sanil. Say, Chanel and Sanil. Yeah.
Alright guys, so you heard that there is a deeper pool up the stream, which is about approximately half a mile. So we're gonna check it out. Yes, people find the point. This deep pool, extremely wide, on the river. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yes, I did.
Nice.
Yo, a crocodile like this, you know.
Come on.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
You turn up? Nice, man. Nice, too. Right. Right. Now we're pretty.
You're not coming out, man. What's going on with man?
What the fish? Yo! Yo, up here, pretty! Yo, I have some nice! Yep, sir.
Yo, clean, clean.
Yeah! Yes, sir, nice! River step. And that's actually mine today or today.
Sweet spot we find.
What are we saying now? Can't die. Look. I'll be about to take more time. Oh my God, you see him again now. You may look bad, you see him. What a good dog. You feel me alone already now. Yeah man, a nice size man, better than long so.
Right place. A man place it.
Sorry, we never can little miss them anyway. Hey, you know sir. Rapper, just step out and break, you know. See next go one.
Yo, go on to the hungry and teach, you know that?
Yeah, always.
Yo, KJ. Yo, Alex. Go over here, sir. Dude. Yo, there's a couple of you, man.
No, the water up there so nice.
Yo, big sweet, man. What the world? Sweet.
Up it, you know? Up like 7. I'm about to take a dive off right now. Show how nice Jamaica is. And show how nice the place is. We have nice place in Jamaica. We never got foreign. But we're there still. No disrespect to the aspect. Respect to the action.
Nice! Rafa, set the camera up now. Set the camera. Alex. Yo, that party is sweet! Alex, nah, swim good enough.
Yo, this nice brother. Wow. Yo, if you swim, if you just beat, just do that. Just not do this.
Like how much meter I say that? It's about 100 meters.
Yeah.
Stretch. Oh, this is all wide. This is all. I mean, I say now. The distance between the water is about 100 meters. Very long. Wide too. As well. You know, say about 50 meters wide or 30 meters. Deep part. That is deep part.
Up, gunning!
Deep part there right there, sir.
Yo, indeed your friend.
This is deep now. Well, like cover roll out.
Right there, some cover.
Yo, that is too deep.
Brother, come now.
Go around.
Yo, back soap from the yo, I'm going to back up on the water. Yo, I'm going to look up.
Watch out, it. Watch out, people. Yo, I'm run for the water.
Alex, I run.
Yo, they're gonna try and see you.
Yo, indeed your friend.
Let's come on.
That's what you do.
Yo,
what I did?
I weird I'm going to go out the center.
Yo, I have to do a shit.
Alex drinks the water to me.
No, take it.
KJ. KJ, you ready to see you? No, it's a cut up. Yeah, cut up.
I'm going to know you.
You're not boss to stop fucking.
Yeah, no fucking.
Man,
Don't show that. That's what it is. Well, that's two on the right.
that's so deep.
That's two on the left.
That's the police.
I'll pop up and put down. Yo, right, that's a deep blue.
Man, that's a deep man.
Yo, the man stop. Yo, the man stop. See what I said?
Yo, that's a deep blue. Yo, this cover all my hand. That's a cover all my hand. Brother,
Yeah, come here.
me I tell you now. We can't touch.
You can't touch down this.
Yeah, touch water,
Can't touch down.
No, this is
I best part of water, yes.
Yeah. Woo. Woo. You think
Hey,
up like
Rafa.
7.
Oi, the further you go, it's nice sighted. Yo, one nice little part of this, you know. Yeah, oh, it's not good now, so
Alright peeps, so I get ready to head back down now. I get a little hungry. So I head back down and see how the steam fish them are go on. Yeah.
yeah, man, that's been nice, man.
Alright, this is the final touch. We actually go up the stream, we just come back down. The camera battery kind of run out, so we have to lock it off. Steam fish.
Yeah. This is KJ and the double. I tell the boy the river nice. I couldn't ask me enjoy a day like this. But right now I'm max out. I tell you the honest truth. I say max out. 550 max. You see me, I tell you we swim till come like we on our foot now move.
And water nice, water nah dirty. But the best river in Jamaica right now, I can tell you. The honest truth, on the double. Yeah man, up and running. Peace out.
So hey guys, we have come to the end of another video. So please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And please remember to click that notification bell. Peace, I'm out.